Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2023 SsangYong Korando Ventura. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 161 brake horsepower and returning up to 35 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 21 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 26,000 miles and comes with full main dealer service history. This particular colour is called the Grand White and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the theme continues. You've got the nice clean interior. The seats there are in really good condition and being half leather on the outer edge. There's a big armrest and two cup holders in the centre as well. The features on this car is quite a long list. So a few I can mention. The car also has Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. The front seats are also heated. You have cruise control there on the right hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers. The display there is digital, and then on the driver's door card you then have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. Being an SUV, you have lots of legroom and headroom there in the back for the rear passengers, ideal for getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own charging port there in the centre, and it's good to see the car's got the original carpet floor mats as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there with the parcel shelf that's still in place, and the rear seats can also be folded flat. The boot floor can be adjusted, or you can hide bits and pieces underneath. So nice and practical to increase the volume, and it's good to see you've got the time inflator kit there in the back, as well as some extra storage for tools, for example. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, and a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions, or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.